Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tundra rear bumper. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your truck's negative battery terminal. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the emergency brake engaged. You will need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, a 12mm socket, and a 19mm socket. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Next, let's tackle the electrical connections and initial trim. Start by removing your license plate and then unplugging the license plate light connectors from the backside. Proceed to disconnect the trailer plug and any other bumper harness connectors, typically found on the passenger side. You will also find several plastic clips. Remove the one behind the license plate and two more from underneath the truck. These steps ensure all wiring is free before proceeding. Now, we'll focus on detaching the remaining plastic components. Carefully pull the plastic pieces off each corner of the bumper. They are held by clips and usually come off by hand. Then, gently lift the large center plastic panel from the top of the bumper. If your Tundra has parking or blind spot sensors, carefully push them out from the back of their mounting rings. Take your time with these steps to avoid any damage. For the final stage, you will remove the main bumper bolts. Using your 12mm socket, remove the 4 bolts located on the top surface of each side of the bumper. Then, remove 2 more 12mm bolts from underneath the bumper, one on each side. Finally, unbolt the 2 12mm nuts holding each bumper mounting bracket. With all bolts removed, have a friend help you carefully slide the entire rear bumper assembly straight off the truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.